The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 opens up an economic connection between Western Europe and Central and Eastern Europe plus Russia. The rising demand for goods and services between both regions drives connections within this emerging frontier. Production processes become more integrated all over Europe. This helps to strengthen competitiveness of European industries globally. In order to trace the development of this pan-European relationship, ING introduces the connection rate. Between 1995 and 2008, this figure steadily rises for both regions. 18% of GDP in Western Europe and 85% of GDP in Central and Eastern Europe plus Russia. The numbers reflect the relationship and in turn the importance of the connection for both regions. In addition to increasing production and income, many jobs were created in both regions. Early data shows that the 2008 global crisis had its effects, leading to major job losses in Russia, but still a net gain in Central and Eastern Europe and Western Europe. Growing connections within Europe continue to create greater prosperity across the entire continent, as progressive interlinking establishes Europe as the stronger player in the global market.